Dear parents, I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirits. I am writing to you with much excitement and anticipation. By the grace of God, I am doing well here in this country, and I miss you both very much. I would like to formally invite you to fly over to my country here and attend my graduation ceremony, which will be held in the coming month in my university. Your presence will make this event incredibly special and memorable for me. I am sending you my details for your visa application. This information is crucial to ensure that my application is processed smoothly and without any delays. My full name is John Doe, and my date of birth is January 1st, 1990. I currently reside at 1234 Elm Street, Springfield, USA. You can reach me at my phone number, which is 555-123-4567, or via email at johndoe@example.com. I am a student at Springfield University, where I am pursuing a degree in computer science. My expected graduation date is June 15, 2023, and I'm in my final year of study. I have enclosed a copy of my student ID and the official invitation from the university for the graduation ceremony. This invitation confirms my status as a student and my eligibility to attend the graduation event. Please let me know if you require any additional information or documentation to support my visa application. Thank you for your assistance. I will also take care of your accommodation and travel arrangements once you arrive here. This is a beautiful country with many places to explore. From the rolling hills and lush valleys to the stunning coastlines and majestic mountains, every corner of this land offers something unique and breathtaking. Whether you are an adventure seeker or someone who enjoys peaceful retreats, there is something here for everyone. After the graduation ceremony, we can visit many tourist places and other notable attractions. Imagine walking through historic sites, marveling at architectural wonders, and immersing yourself in the rich cultural heritage. There are museums, art galleries, and theaters that showcase the vibrant art scene. The bustling markets and quaint shops offer a delightful shopping experience. It will be a wonderful opportunity for us to spend quality time together and for you to experience life here. We can enjoy local festivals, savor delicious cuisine, and participate in various outdoor activities. From hiking and biking to simply relaxing in a park, the options are endless. This journey will not only be about sightseeing, but also about creating lasting memories and deepening our bonds. I eagerly look forward to seeing you both and sharing this joyous occasion with you. It has been a long journey, filled with hard work and dedication, and having you by my side will make it all the more special. Your support has always been my strength. Your presence here will be a great source of motivation and happiness for me. Knowing that you are there to celebrate this milestone will fill my heart with immense joy and pride. It's not just a celebration of my achievements, but also of the love and encouragement you have given me throughout. Please do consider this request and plan your visit soon. It would mean the world to me to have you here, sharing in the laughter and memories that we will create together. Your visit will make this event unforgettable. With lots of love and respect, yours lovingly, signature, full name. I am truly grateful for everything you have done for me, and I can't wait to celebrate this special day with you. Thank you for being such an important part of my life.